works is it uses this, there's this fuel pump right here, and it works on a vacuum basis. So as the air blows through here, it creates pressure or a vacuum, and then it draws fuel in, and then through this line it pumps and then it injects. So with the new line on here, I'm just gonna gently put it on. It does get fed down through this hole and then back up and whatever. But with the new line on here, plug it in, and then we have an injector there and then a igniter. And like these things put out like insane amounts of heat. Yeah. So like if an engine's cold or anything like that, this will warm it up in 20 minutes, half an hour. And you can see we got a nice clean flame. We're not blowing smoke everywhere, so I know that we're working properly. So if I take the line off, we lose injection right away. There's also a photo cell right here that actually reads that there's a flame in there. So as long as your photo cell reads, your injector's injecting and your sparker's sparking, this thing ignites and throws heat like you wouldn't believe. I could melt Jory's car, which we learned it will do. They're also thermostatically controlled, which is nice. So you can set. Of course, for us, we just crank them up. We don't.
Anyone missing a quarter?
Yeah, it's probably mine. That's from last year.
Likely.
But yeah, like I said, every year we gotta go through and do this. But I've had these heaters, like these heaters are probably 6-7 years old.
Wow.
Yeah, like they've been pretty good to me. Here, I'll feed it this way. Okay.
Back down to the.
Do we want it above or below?
Probably below, I would think.
Yeah.
It actually fits in there now. Below. Your zip tie?
Nope.
Or nah?
Nope.
Neat.
Okay. Oh, that's too.
A little bulky. You want to cut it? Okay, cut it.
I don't know. That should be okay. Then next year when it fucking frays and fucks up again, we can just cut it back and there's a little bit extra.
I just hope like vibration of the fucking thing running won't like slowly work the holes into the fan, but probably won't.
Plug it in. Let's see. We'll find out in a hurry. And then we'll go out and we'll get that. I'll put it on that skid steer and
Yeah.
get it warmed up. What? So for cold starts, this is what we do. We'll generally use our big diesel heater. Normally I'd tarp it in, but it ain't that cold out today. Well, we'll heat everything right up, melt all the snow, warm the engine right up, and then we'll have the vehicle boosting it so that the battery's getting charged and the engine's warming up, and that's how we'll generally get it started. Some of these older equipment, or not older equipment, but equipment that doesn't get used all the time will end up with summer diesel in it, and that diesel will actually gel off and turn into like a thick paste, basically. It's like a wax. So it won't start in the cold unless you warm it right up. So that's how we do it. We do this for vehicles, pickup trucks, skid steers, loaders, excavators, everything we need to get everything running and efficiently. Yeah.